Good morning, children. Once again, I welcome you all for this online video class. And today we are moving into a new lesson in geography, lesson 1. And the title of our lesson is The Universe and Solar System. So, our lesson starts with a conversation between a teacher and a student. Okay. So, which is your exact location? Where are you exactly located? So, um, we are living in our house, isn't it? So where is our house located? Our house is located inside our street, isn't it? So where is our street located? It is located inside our city. So where is our city located? It is located inside our district. Okay. So where is our district located? It is located inside our state. For example, Tamil Nadu is our state, isn't it? So, where is our state Tamil Nadu located? It is located inside our country. So, what is our country name? India. So, where is India located? It is located inside our earth. So, where is earth located? It is located inside the solar system. And where is solar system located? It is located inside a galaxy. And where is galaxy located? Finally, it is located in the universe. So the universe is the ultimate location we can identify. It is a final location. So beyond the universe, we have nothing. Okay. Uh, so let's move on to the next topic. How everything existed. Okay. So how the universe is formed, how the galaxies were formed. We are going to study about them. Okay, so there is a prominent theory, important theory named Big Bang theory. So this theory is accepted by a majority of the scholars. Okay, so what this theory says, there was a mass. Okay, there was a rock. Okay, so this rock it started to expand for a thousands and millions of years, and it became a very large rock. Okay, so after thousands and millions of years, this huge rock, because of extreme heat, it exploded and it was broken up into several pieces. Okay, and all the broken up several pieces, they also started to expand, and finally they became larger in size, and they became stars, galaxies, okay, planets, and everything, so on. Okay, this is how our universe started. The Big Bang theories says so. Okay, um, so this is how our universe was formed, and our universe is also referred as cosmos. Okay, it is also called as cosmos. So there is a study about the universe which is called cosmology. Okay, cosmos is a Greek word. It comes from a Greek word spelling KOSMOS, cosmos. Okay, okay. So this is the view of the universe. Okay, see, this is the our universe. So universe is the final, ultimate thing. Apart from universe, there is nothing. Okay, so all the galaxies, all the planets, all the stars, all the celestial bodies, uh, they are located inside our universe. See, when you see this, there are smaller dots and bigger dots, isn't it? So these bigger lights, they are the galaxies. The bigger lights are the galaxies, and the smaller ones are stars. Okay, see, when you zoom it, you can see several galaxies. Okay, several galaxies in the universe. Okay, so what is the universe? Definition of the universe is simple. The universe is a vast expanse of space. Universe is nothing but it is a vast. Vast means what? Uncountable, numerous. Okay. Very large. Expanse means what? Stretch. Okay, stretch. So it is a very large stretch of space. Okay, space. So the universe it contains okay billions of galaxies, stars, planets, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, and natural satellites. So in this lesson, we are going to study each and every one. Okay, every uh, words we spelled now. Okay, and these celestial bodies they are collectively so the all these uh, galaxies and stars, planets, they were located. Okay, they were thousands of light years apart. They are away from each other. Okay, so these the distance between one celestial body, one planet or one star, and the other star is calculated in light year. Okay, light year. So what is one light year? So um, the speed of light is 3 lakhs kilometer per second. Okay, so in 1 second the light travels 3 lakh kilometers. Okay, so the time taken by light to travel for 1 year is called one light year. Okay, okay, see, now let's move on to the next topic, galaxy. So you all know what is a universe. Okay, now let's move on to galaxy. See, this is a galaxy. So what is a galaxy? So our universe contains billions of galaxies. Okay, so galaxies are huge clusters of stars, huge cluster of stars that are held together by gravitational force. Okay, so the gravitational force they uh, holds a large number of stars to stick together in a respective place. That is called a galaxy. So, what is a galaxy? It is a huge group of stars together. They move in a